good morning, good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. I look terrible right now. I look literally miserable and sad, and I just look crazy, and that's exactly how I feel. I feel miserable, crazy, sad, and my mental health is just... So you know what? After many days of spending my entire day on my bed, crying, complaining about every single thing, not really eating anything, and just being sad, I decided to pick myself up today. And trust me, by the end of this video, I'm gonna look way better. My eyelashes look... actually, because I just finished crying, so my eyelashes just look very weird when it's wet. And also, just look at my freaking nails, like... oh my goodness. And this is the other side. So I have a couple of broken nails. My nails aren't done. This is the longest I have gone without getting my eyelashes, a facial. Just, this is the longest I've ever gone without taking care of myself. So in this video, I'm just gonna pick my broken pieces back together. Oh my goodness, that is so freaking dramatic. But yeah, in this video, I'm just gonna try to make myself feel better. I'm gonna film it because maybe it might help someone out there. So if you're going through something just like I am, pick yourself up, you know, because the more you fall, the more you learn. The more you fall, the more stronger you get up. So, I don't really know what to say. I'm not really sure if this video is gonna be interesting or what, because I am extremely sad. And I literally have no energy or enthusiasm or joy in actually filming this video. But I just know for a fact that someday when I watch this video, when I look back at this video, I'm gonna be so proud of myself because I'm strong. And I even have a tattoo which says I'm strong. So you know what? I'm gonna live up to it. I am strong. Affirmations. So yeah, let's, you know, glow up. Self-care time. Self-care is the best option. It's more cheaper than therapy and it's much better. Now that I got that out of the way, you know, I did my skincare routine, I brushed my teeth, and yeah, I just feel a little more relaxed and clean. So yeah, the next thing I'm gonna do is actually get my nails done. As you can see, they look disgusting. Half of my nails are missing. I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm gonna go for something simple this time because I just feel very simple right now. So I'm gonna get nails how I feel. But I just hate how long it takes. So I'm probably gonna watch like a motivational video while I'm getting my nails done. I don't really know. Okay, so I just got home and I got my nails done and I feel so much better because like my nails were literally growing out and like I could literally see, like, you know, my nails were just so freaking ugly. So here are my new nails. Ooh. This is what my nails look like. So I got hearts over here and a butterfly over here. If you know, you know, I actually love butterflies and hearts are cute as well. I was actually supposed to get heart stickers, but it just comes off very quickly, like in about a week or something, it just comes off and I don't really like that. I feel much better because I got my nails done. So the next thing I'm gonna do is actually organize everything. So for the past couple of days, like I have just been, I don't know, not very organized. So today is December 1st. And I still have no plan for the month. I don't know what videos I'm posting. I have no videos edited or filmed. I literally have nothing in mind. So right now, I'm just gonna sit and actually make a plan for the month because I usually make a plan for the month ahead. So usually on November, like between 20th to 30th, I have my December video filmed and, you know, ready to post. I don't have anything right now. So I'm just gonna have to make a whole plan and I'm just gonna get my life sort of together. And as you guys may already know, YouTube plays a huge part in my life. And, you know, having that organized is like the main thing for me. So I gotta get to it. I gotta do it, okay? I gotta do it. So let's go. and I am done with my work. So I literally organized every single thing and I have every single video idea I need. So all of my videos are planned and I organize them so well that some days I won't even have to film, because usually I do film every single day. That also means coming home really tired, or days when I'm really sick, I still have to film videos. So now I made my schedule so good. I think I just needed some time to myself. I needed to fall to the ground to get back up much stronger, much smarter and wiser. Does that even make sense? Whatever. Okay, so right now I'm actually going to clean. The house is kind of messy, and I do believe that, I don't know for others, but personally for me, I really do need a clean environment to like have my head in the right place. Like sometimes I just cannot work in a dirty environment. I just need everything to be perfect for some reason. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean out the room and try to get everything out of the way. I feel like a dirty room is more like an obstacle that stands in the way of productive life. In order to have a productive life, for me, I do need to have a clean environment. That means all my laundry has to be done, all my clothes have to be dry, I need to fold all of my clothes, dust off everything, you know, change the bed sheets and all of those things. So let's do that. Okay, so I am gonna get my eyelashes done very soon, because as you can see, they are not even. And due to stress and frustration and many other things, I have been plucking my eyelashes out. And one of the worst fears of girls getting eyelash extensions is losing your natural lashes or damaging them. And the only way that you could actually damage your natural lashes are if you pluck them, if you have a bad eyelash technician, or if you don't take care of them, or if you overdo it. So I have been plucking my eyelashes out, which is like really bad, and I'm trying to stop it, but whenever I get stressed I keep doing this, and that's one of the reasons left eyelashes are way worse than my right, because I use my left hand. So yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go get my eyelashes done, which is very necessary. I do it every single month, actually every 3 weeks. So yeah. Okay, so I got my lashes done, as you can see. Whoop. So I just need to comb them out a little bit, but I love my lashes. By the way, my lashes are 3D doll effect, and basically, yeah, I usually get the same thing over and over again because I feel like this one suits my eye more. But last time I remember, this one time I actually did 2D. A lot of you guys were like, okay, 2D looks way better than 3D, but I just feel more comfortable with 3D for some reason. And also, when you get 2D done, and when the lashes fall out, it just looks very weird. So that's why I get 3D, because when the lashes fall out, my 3D look looks like 2D. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, maybe you're new to the whole eyelash extension thing, I'll explain in a different video. So I am planning on making an entire video just for eyelash extensions, because I know a lot of you guys have no idea what to do, blah blah, but I just don't feel like making it, because I don't think a lot of my most of my audience wants to see it. But I'm gonna make it either way, because I know at least 10 or 20 of my girls are gonna need this video. So I'm gonna make it soon. Anyways, I feel like really good, I feel really happy, and I feel really beautiful, ever since I started taking care of myself again. I've just been, walking past the mirror and I look at myself, I'm like, damn girl. And that's sort of important, because you need to love yourself. And most of the time I do love myself, and I really try my best to not, let my mental health just go whoop. But sometimes it just happens and you can't really stop it. And here's one thing I've learned is that, there is no rainbow without a storm, or some shit like that. So something bad has to happen for you to appreciate the good things in your life. And I feel like every bad situation teaches me something. And every time I am sad, I sort of understand that good days are gonna come. And if you're wondering why I was sad, or why I was in like a really bad mood and just in a very bad situation, that is because I have been going through a lot of stress, and I have this habit of sort of stacking up my emotions until I can't handle it anymore. So that's sort of what happened. Like, I always teach people and I always encourage people to take some days off, take a break, because you need to take care of your mental health But sometimes I forget to take my own advice, so that's the problem. And I was just working way too much and, you know, studying. And I recently moved in and there was just so much stress and frustration and just a lot of, you know, I don't know, like sometimes you just don't even know why you're sad. So, you know, my mental health was just not with me. You know, my mental health was like, girl, see ya later. Like, girl, get your shit together. So I'm trying to create a safe environment for my mind because I want to be in peace. So yeah, anyways, I feel so much better. I feel really, really good. So yeah, mission accomplished. I do feel like my life is together. Like, look at the house. Like, just look at it. Everything is so freaking clean. And I feel like I did a very good job. So anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you guys would love to see. And yeah, I hope you're happy because I'm also happy. And if you're sad, let's talk about it in the comment section. And yeah, bye bye.